Elfed ar Anrheg. Elmer and the Present. Roedd Elfed yr eliffant clytwaith wrthi'n mynd am dro pan welodd ei ffrind ifanc, Rhosyn. "Helo, Rhosyn," galwodd Elfed. "Helo, Elfed," atebodd Rhosyn. "Dwi newydd weld Modryb Zelda. Mae hi'n chwilio amdano ti." Elmer the Patchwork Elephant was walking one of his walks when he saw his young friend Rose. "Hello, Rose," called Elmer. "Hello, Elmer," Rose answered. "I've just seen Aunt Zelda. She's looking for you." "Modryb Zelda," gyfannodd Elfed. "Well i ni ddod o hyd i ddi. Mae hi braidd yn fyddar ac yn anghofio pethau. Dere." "Aunt Zelda?" asked Elmer. "Perhaps we better find her. You know she's a bit deaf and forgets things." "Come on." "Elfed," meddai llais o rywle. Teigar oedd yno. "Mae Modryb Zelda yn chwilio amdano ti. Mae ganddi hi rhywbeth i'w roi i ti." "Ew, Elfed, dydy hi ddim yn Nadolig, ydy hi?" "I Modryb Zelda efallai, ond ddim i neb arall," meddai Elfed. "Elmer," called a voice. It was a tiger. "Aunt Zelda is looking for you. She has something to give you." "I say, Elmer, it isn't Christmas, is it?" "Maybe just for Aunt Zelda," Elmer called. Eiliad yn ddiweddarach, galwodd dau fwnci ato. "Hiya, Elfed, mae Modryb Zelda yn chwilio amdano ti," meddai un. "Mae ganddi rhywbeth i'w roi i ti. Wyt ti'n gael dy pen-blwydd?" "Na," meddai Elfed, "ond mae'n bosib fod Modryb Zelda yn meddwl fy mod i." A moment later, two monkeys called. "Hi, Elmer, Aunt Zelda is looking for you," says one. "She has something to give you. Is it your birthday?" "No," said Elmer, "but Aunt Zelda may think it is." "Rhywbeth i'w roi i ti," meddai Rhosyn wrth iddyn nhw gerdded. "Dwi wrth fy modd gyda anrhegion. Edrych, dacw hi, Modryb Zelda." "Something for you," said Rose as they continued. "I love presents. Look, there's Aunt Zelda." "Helo, Modryb Zelda," meddai Rhosyn ac Elfed gyda'i gilydd. "Dwi'n meddwl eich bod chi'n chwilio amdana i," meddai Elfed. "Oedd e, wir bach?" meddai Modryb Zelda. Llew druan. "Hello, Aunt Zelda," Rose and Elmer said together. "I think you may be looking for me," Elmer said. "Did he really, dear?" said Aunt Zelda. "Poor old lion." Wrth iddyn nhw gerdded ymlaen, roedd Elfed yn pendroni. Roedd ateb Modryb Zelda braidd yn od. Tybed beth oedd hi'n meddwl ei fod wedi ei ddweud? As they walked on, Elmer wondered what Aunt Zelda thought he said. Her answer was a bit strange. Roedd Modryb Zelda dal yn I siarad. "Dwi'n falch ein bod ni wedi gweld ein gilydd. Mae yna rhywbeth mae'n rhaid I fi ei roi I ti, Elfed. Ond dydw I ddim yn cofio beth yw e na ble mae yw e. I'm glad that we met. There is something I have to give you, Elmer, but I can't remember what it is or where it is." "Efallai y gallwn ni brocio eich cof chi," meddai Elfed. "Ydy'r peth yma'n fawr?" "Cawr," meddai Modryb Zelda. "Am syniad doniol, dychmyga'r hen Eldo yn rhoi cawr I fi i'w roi I ti." "Perhaps we can jog your memory," said Elmer. "Is it big?" "Giant," said Aunt Zelda. "What a funny idea. Imagine old Eldo giving me a giant to give you." "O, rhywbeth gan tad ci Eldo yw e," meddai Rhosyn. "Beth am I ni fynd i'w weld e," meddai Elfed. "Dydy e ddim yn bell." "Na, bach," meddai Modryb Zelda. "Byddai'n well I ni fynd I weld Eldo. Dydy e ddim yn bell." "Syniad da," meddai Elfed. "Oh, so it's something from Grandpa Eldo," said Rose. "Let's go and see him," said Elmer. "It's not that far." "No, dear," said Aunt Zelda. "It's best if we just go and see Eldo. It's not that far. Good idea, said Elmer. Cyn pen ddim roedden nhw gyda Tad Cieldo. Wel, am surprise braf, meddai Tad Cieldo. Meddai Elfed, mae gyda ni broblem ac fe allwch chi helpu i'w datrys. Fe wnaethoch chi ofyn i Modryb Zelda roi rhywbeth i fi, a nawr dydy hi ddim yn gallu cofio beth yw e, na ble mae e. Before long they were with Grandpa Eldo. This is a nice surprise, he said. Grandpa Eldo, said Elmer, we have a problem, and you can help us fix it. You asked Aunt Zelda to give me something, and now she can't remember what it is or where it is. Rhoi rhywbeth i ti, gofynnodd Eldo. Gad I fi feddwl. Ie, wrth gwrs, beth dwedes I oedd, os ydych chi'n gweld Elfed, rhowch gwtsh iddo gen I. Give you something, said Eldo. Let me think now. Oh, yes, of course. I said, if you see Elmer, give him a cwtsh from me. Dwi'n cofio nawr, meddai Zelda. Cwtsh oedd e. I remember now, said Zelda. It was a cwtsh. Cwtsh, meddai Rosin. Dyna hyfryd. Gwych, meddai Elfed. A dwi am roi cwtsh I bob un ohonoch chi hefyd. Wir, meddai Modryb Zelda. Wel, mae hynny'n bosib iawn, ond byth ar ddydd Iau. Cwtsh, said Rose. That is so lovely. Fantastic, said Elmer. And I will give each of you a cwtsh too. Really, said Aunt Zelma. Well, it is possible, but never on a Thursday. A dyna stori Elfed a'r Anrheg.